There is confusion galore, or maybe deliberate confusion, between the AIADMK and the BJP over a coalition government in Tamil Nadu if they come to power. AIADMK General Secretary Edapi Palaniswamy on EPS has doubled down on gaining majority and forming an AIADMK government. EPS has responded to speculation over BJP getting a place in the government. He has said that AIADMK leaders are not fools, stressing on an AIADMK government in Tamil Nadu in 2026, brushing off DMK criticism of the AIADMK alliance with the BJP. EPS added that the party will only form an alliance if it wants to. This directly contradicts the BJP's claims. Annamalai has made it clear that it will be a coalition government in Tamil Nadu, referring to Home Minister Amit Shah's comment.
You have spoken about the alliance and things like that, but you're still claiming that whatever the Home Minister has decided, that will be the only pact?
Sir, we have to understand, sir, the Honorable Home Minister in multiple interviews, be it Dinamalar, be it Dinatandi and Indian Express, he has made a stand very clear. I am a party karyakarta. If I am not standing with my Home Minister, then I don't have any right to exist in the party as a karyakarta. I am very clear about it. Now, I am not blaming anybody. It's a natural alliance which wants to defeat DMK. The alliance is formed. But we have to understand, our party has taken a stand, our Home Minister has taken a stand. If you people ask me a question, if I say no comments, if I say no, leaders will talk, if I say no, we will talk in December, which means I am not fit enough to be in this party. I am only stating what our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji has stated in multiple interviews, multiple times.
Coalition government. That is coalition government.
Mentioned very clearly that BJP will be a part of the government. He has mentioned it very clearly to a specific question.
AIDMK का एनडीए में आना एनडीए के लिए बहुत उपयोगी है और AIDMK का एनडीए में आना AIDMK के लिए भी बहुत उपयोगी है।